I just wonder if we can set some battery settings. That's fine. I like auto start. If we could have that to off, I think that's been on, been causing us some issues. Screen, if we can have that set to 20. Dialogue, if we can have that set to 1.5 second. Clock on's okay. Equalizer off. Brightness down 30. And those two as they are, that's fine. Then if we can have the ad launcher and have these two on. I'm assuming we can't have any apps set by default. Then my other question was going to be, is it possible to have it in the day night mode by default? So I mean, is it possible to have it by default set to star in night mode?